Here's another quality vehicle offered by Randall Noe Auto Group.
Get noticed in this 2007 Ford 500. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Call today to schedule a test drive.
Visit Randall Noe Auto Group today. We're conveniently located at 1608 Westmore Avenue in Terrell, Texas.